Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lesleyanne. If you've never come across my channel before, then welcome, and thank you so much for all my lovely returning friends and subscribers. Now, a little while ago, you may remember, if you've been with me for a little while, you may remember I actually bought an advent calendar, a beauty one. I totally forgot I had it. That's terrible, isn't it? I popped it away and I just totally forgot. And then the other day, yesterday, I saw somebody doing their beauty advent calendar and I thought, I'm sure I've got one. I'm sure that I got one for myself. I've got a nice coffee here, guys. Our Luke made this for me. It's really nice. One of those flavoured coffees, very nice. I dug it out. And it's by Revolution. So I bought this, like when they first sort of started to come out this year, I thought I will get one and sort of share it with you. So today we have, what are we today? We're on the, whatever day we are. We're on day 12. I've got 12 to open. So in a way it's kind of nice that I get to open 12, isn't it? But how on earth I forgot I had one? I think it's because I don't generally buy an advent calendar, like a beauty advent calendar. And I haven't been sent this, or I've never actually been sent an advent calendar before. So, yeah, fabulous myself. It says on the front, Revolution, you are the revolution. 25-day advent calendar. And so that is what it looks like. Oh, so it slides out this way like that. And then it's all, is it sealed? Oh no. So it's got a little bit of tape keeping the two halves together. I'll just take that off. Right, so inside it is like that. So they're individual little boxes for each day. So let's open it, shall we? So let's open day one. So nice little sort of bronzy coloured box. And some tissue paper. And it is a lipstick. What does it say? I love a lippy, so number one, perfect for me. And it is in the colour Baby, it's called. And there we are, that's what it looks like in the bullet. And pop it on. Oh, I like it, that's nice. It's kind of a, it's certainly in the nude family, but it's like a browny, peachy sort of a colour. Very, very, very nice, like that. Let's go for number two then, because number two is tinier, much smaller. Contour powder. Let's open it, guys. So there we are, that's what it looks like. And I'll just sort of swatch it on my finger. Very pigmented. Oh yeah, look at that. So I would use that as an eyeshadow as well. It's beautiful. Oh, here we are, number three. Oh, we've got a different colour box now. So now we're on to the black and gold box. And in this one is a little makeup mirror. So it's got the R on the back there for Revolution. I don't think it's not, no, it's not a magnified one, which I really need is a one with magnification. However, that is really sweet, and I will probably pop that one back in the box. And I'll give that to somebody else because as nice as it is, I won't be able to see properly in that size mirror. Day 4. Oh, I wonder if this is going to be a makeup brush or something, the length of it. Yeah, so it is a nice little brush. So it's a nice little blending brush. Oh look, that's, I love doing this with the brushes so you can see just how sort of dense they are, you know. And that looks nice. I don't think you can ever have too many makeup brushes, to be honest. Number 5, another long box in sort of like a rose sort of gold pattern on it. Okay, so this time we have a Makeup Revolution London brow. It's a brow pencil. Oh, and it is brown as well. I was a bit worried that it was going to be black then, but so let's see what this one's. It feels quite nice. Quite a nice colour as well, if you can see it just there. Just there. Number 6. Okay, number 6. Wrapped in some tissue paper. Oh, a lip gloss. Oh, you know me, girls. You know I love a lipstick and a lip gloss. One of my favourite things ever. Okay, this is, it's a lip oil. And it just says shine on the bottom. So that's a lip oil. Oh, I'm going to pop it on my lipstick that I've already got on. Oh, feels nice. And I don't know, I think it's got a tiny little bit of colour to it, but I think if you were putting it onto your like naked lips, it would just be nice and glossy. Number 7. Another brush, another makeup brush. I do like a good old makeup brush, I must admit. Oh, that's a nice little one. Look at that one. So I like these for sort of particularly sort of doing, I like to do it under here with these. I never use a brush for what they're really meant to be. Well, very seldom. Some of them I do, but others, do you know, I just use them for whatever I feel comfortable using them for. Are you like that? Okay, number 8. Oh, it feels like another lipstick. Yay. A lipstick, ladies and gents, another lipstick. Okay, what colour is this one? In Chauffeur. Chauffeur. And that's the colour at the bottom there, so you can identify what colour it is. Let's pop it a bit on this hand, shall we? Again, another sort of lovely nude colour. Feels really nice on the skin, glides on, you know, there's no sort of dragging or anything. 9. Oh, so this is an eye primer. Right. So you've just got your little, pop it on your eyes like this, on your eyelids, and then sort of just blend it. And then you've got a nice primer there for your eyeshadow. Something I don't usually bother with, but maybe I should. 9, 10. Number 10. So it's like it could be a little mascara. Is it? Let's have a look. Oh no, it's a brow gel. Oh, so I've got my brow pencil and now I've got a brow gel. Number 10. 2 more to go then, 2 more. 25 is a nice big one. Christmas Day. In tissue paper again. Oh, and I think it's another lip gloss. Let's have a look. Oh no. See, you can tell I'm obsessed with lipsticks and lip glosses because every time I see something like this is a lip gloss. And it's not. It is an eye cream shadow. It's very like a copper foil. Very nice though. Look at that. You see that just there? What colour is this? And so I've got number 12, which is the last one to do today. Another big one. So does that mean it's another brush? And I can't remember, you know, how much this was. It wasn't an expensive one. Unlike a lot of the other advent calendars, this one wasn't. It was affordable. But after Christmas, these will be on sale. They always are. So if you like the look of this, then look out for those sales after Christmas and grab yourself one, or grab a couple and put them away for people's presents for next year. Perfect gift. What's this one? This is another eye cream shadow. So this is a different colour. Okay, so this is something that I would possibly just put a little tiny bit, say up here on the brow, sort of thing, because it's quite, I don't know, I haven't shown that very well, have I? But if I do it here, that you can see, very nice though. And I would just like maybe just pop, as I say, a little bit on the top of the brow bone, and that's all 12, so I can't do any more until tomorrow. So I will make it my purpose that when I film my next Vlogmas video tomorrow, I will open day 13. What do you think? I think it's been okay, isn't it? It's been, you know, it's nice stuff. I'm really happy with it. And as I say, keep an eye on the January sales, or the Boxing Day sales, because you probably find that, you know, they will have them there. In fact, I might have a look myself, and it can make great Christmas gifts for granddaughters. I'll be keeping them peeled for that. But let me know what you think. And thank goodness I kind of did get reminded that I'd put it away in the other bedroom, stacked with other presents for other people, because it did remind me to get it out and to do it. And it was quite nice doing all 12 today. I hope you've enjoyed it, my lovelies. If you have, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It does help my channel a lot. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely be delighted if you did, and I will see you in the next video, which is only going to be tomorrow. So take care, keep yourselves nice and warm, and I'll talk tomorrow. Bye now. Bye-bye.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers